Introducing the Capsule by SpaceTouch, the next generation of full-body skincare innovation. Turn on your new device. It must be connected to power. To unlock your device, simply tap the screen and the home screen will be displayed. You will see 6 pre-programmed treatment icons: anti-aging, wrinkles and lines reduction, skin discoloration correction, cellulite treatment, acne management, and skin cleansing and hydration. Once treatment has been selected, you will see the treatment details, which include description, wavelength, duration, and temperature. To begin treatment, simply tap on the Start button. To end treatment early, simply press Start again. Capsule also provides users complete control over their treatment experience with its manual mode option. Choose your desired light for treatment: red, yellow, blue, and infrared. Wavelength lights can also be mixed and matched to create combinations tailored to your needs. Please refer to the light wavelengths and their benefits to determine which light wavelength settings are best suited for your desired results. Users can set their treatment duration starting from 5 minutes up to a maximum of 30 minutes. Adjust the temperature level from a gentle warmth to a more intense heat, ensuring comfort throughout your session. Once all of your preferred treatment settings are selected, simply press the Start button to begin your custom treatment. To return to the home screen, simply press on the navigation button located at the top right of the screen. Always avoid direct eye contact with the LEDs. Ensure you wear the provided glasses or eye covers before using the device. Never enter the bed without proper eye protection. As a precaution, begin with shorter sessions to determine your skin sensitivity to the light wavelengths. Gradually increase session duration as you become accustomed to the device. Refrain from using the device on broken, irritated, or inflamed skin. To clean your device, use a soft, damp cloth to wipe down the interior after each use. To learn more on usage instructions, visit support@spacetouch.com.